apostle de brewo ekua bo acho ha deaconess kokorowa ekua morning
Adom nede morning no kurama
nyabotre
na producer say
how dey nyabotre me amanim do pesa oka
enanu minim say afi no akai ayi kede wakai achim kede opesa ogba da mu de na capito nyame adom ye wama de pachi nti asedan ye de ema no enu aso na nya goro ohun ye ayi afahye no ayedi ye no ye nyina edi bio enu sa no ye bra wo mu ni bia no ohun se sala no wadi bi enu akoko chansen ye de aduane gu mu baaye na ya chi na ntwinam no ama
omo wasa bi omo de chi womo nam no
sa nam no wonim chi a wonim chi so anim chi enu no sa no nantwinam no twitwa ne nkete wo hu na wachia man echese enam no esuo bi afri mu sa wodi gufro ye num si ho no mo etumi di 1 year na nsen ye sa fro ye ni su mu nsuo no twe a sa fro ye ni bi na nura menya ne mo no
ye no ni so ho himpa enra wonya ne mo no wonim se obetum de siwa ma afekora be ba nsen ena wonya wo gina so di ni nyina
na kwa hwetu
abranka odi siwa nkan nsen kan ni ka ba yi ka ba o se kwaku de misumenya yi ni usomje na misumenya bibia na misumenya mama ni aso
kwa hwetu ba sa so
ba boy amane
kwa hwetu ba sa de ne sai makohwa na me na enra ne nkemma sala no nwie ne course wo ball no ye da nyame asese na yesi eho no mo ayedin kakra
se yesi ba bia nyame etu ne mafo no eho na bonsam so toto ne momo ne de chiom dogo tinipa dodo hia de ya obenya nipa ba ko mienu bia hia na mo hia no ene trimu po no ne nye ho na so eno nche se kwatwitu umu ade mfere ade why fasting 30 days wie now you fasting wie ya me tani pan kram nye so se fasting no ye bi
unim
oma onya ase ye nyina yesu come there no so ka bi ofa fitira no akono akodi tu on safo ni bia ultimi nye fasting wie 30 days na ye kwa akobọ mpaye na ye de awie bibia wo se makwa kwatwitu
captain yes first we say Pentecost when you crusade ye ko ba patane wo ho ne yesi akwa bi etwa fasting be na nsa yenye na oba konfiche bia na odidu kan so wo sa da wo mu break na ye ya so inu odi nya mese mema so for ne say tase amen kan winchire wo ibi ne kwaku kan na unim ne ye besre ye man bambofo ye wo mu ni say eniema ni bi wo ho no mo a yedika peke signal se kire se ha bibi betumi asi ha sei yenye proactive kakra e wo sa niema no evi se sa wo fa ba bi ti se so manya de ye course no a empanimfo hu yate youth ne so makoye meeting se sei ne ebeye eniema ni bi won ma ye nhwepo ma ne nhyase ye ne ye course wo boli no chieftaincy dispute no wo hono mo ya empanimfo nim se bibia betumi asi
ejaketua bi kra na
ebetumi bomu a enti niema bi wo hono mo enhyiamu bi wo hono ehwe na ebetumi de sa ha na ba I think say yetumi ede eso kra to so se gwentimi enye gweisei because there be a ye jama ne ba na niema ye
ehokra no na security ne do so and apart from that kra no yes can bi mo
na ye den ana ye
den wan say obi betimi de bibia hye ho de akofra safo no abra ye de security measures egu o
ana ye den kwaku because once a niema agensamu no de wo de hwe baby to say nansen de oti region ne ba ya ye say DCU sesen ye say a chene de na koma police for wotie ne sa youth no mkodi anyambra nsam ne ka ana ya tro letter tra na obi amfi yen say ukọ district one mo a time na chese wanchi area ho no ho so yesi bi bobo firi ho no mba ye no e so youth ne say na MC no e de na ba no wonu mu mpe no etu on so mbe che ne se ne otifo no ye ye sa niema say bobo ba ye so anu anti nye ye
akuai maka say ye ja bibia to politicians wa that's the end.
Serious.
Yes, security are political. Agriculture are political. Be a work country no be asana akoye. Se onim says a police kura no yes man so may arrest her. Oba o ye careful. Be a police phone they will tell you. Ohu say aban no wo so no hu nipa bi niwo se opposition nipa bi oso opposition nim hu nipa bi aniwo enti wo mo ba they are a bit careful and police no ya say police now to an extent say yeah my promotions based on political lines.
How?
Yes, I'm telling you. Ask the police officers; they'll tell you.
Yeah,
my promotion based on political lines. Yeah,
it is a one doma man you could be now say fatakwa yem family.
Yeah, it's too much when your police nibi. They can't just say me na me kwachi asemesi. And yes, the police didn't care smana onko. But the boss be the officer why any day wehu any day two be the same boss need to be protecting no but say about two car all right
about so funny say institutions no omutie ne Ghana for ye be kan sa na o ma take action
oh sure
wonim say ne si wo chi region no na yete akwaku na te ha no ye interview no testy kase bomu ene ye frɛ youth no be ma no onu di animu no o se am call police station mo kro ma bɔ maba so Omabo mabaso se ma ya de se mechi no mede na ba what is say ye condemn na nsa police for no watch
security na break it down
ye na em nwanwane se abrantie ne se nim se ye beche na wonu kuta panyini na ode ne baaye no yanse ne deche ye ja na ma ne kɔ echire ne ye kwa akɔche no esa se ye hu se amafo bu
what kind of penny kura what post no so kwaku ye describe ade ne yie na se empanifo tie o mate ade na se or you're the direct representative of the president.
Dissect Penia Wadano. Or
no, so soon as you're the head of security, and with the whole district. And on one side, district chief executive.
Nothing, you pass a Nasa yet me the Marasha yen near China boss who are do
Obia Boy running office. See you, our police guard. Sir. Soldier for camp wo ha wo mo wona se na nipa bi atimi ye bawura ne a district assembly ho so wa abrosan so matimi afro staircase so ni abrosan so a ye den ya obawura reception na wa for secretary office and so wedru ne ono ne office ho na o matimi go through all these places abawura DC no office na o makoche no no more than for no any office the name secretary office the na for reception the number compound so the mood na ko police station head of district security council the head
na okoya police force wait me anchini pa no until say asem ba ho akiri and na police work
and what can I say bibia you okay
bibia you okay eno kra na omo che nkrofo no unso mo atimi afọ ma ntana ho awo omo de omo ko ho
sani ebe ya dede na no badwu nti captain ne ye ka akosie nyina ne se empanimfo ma wo ho nye ha akukuduru a ye de chi nipa a wo di bone no yenya sojafo yenya policefo a wo dwen wo man ne ho kane ne wonye sa adwuma no enra we bole de no yesi o ye curfew no ya extend no time no 6 abom nkoda no na omu gusu gina mu na omu to niema chese ye nsuro hwe
because
level ben no
wochina eno aso obebo amanyuko bi din keza
level ben no
when you amanyuko bi din asa
nipa chene kom a dru say ye break na wo nipa kro wo de sa hensem ne sa niema wa say bibia wo hono
anyway tie silence they say is golden but there's also the saying that in normal social and administrative interaction silence means consent except in the law of contract. The Minister of Parliamentary Affairs and Majority Leader, Honorable Osei Main Sabusu, the only Che, is reported in a publication on Ghana Web of 5th June 2019 to have said in an interview, paraphrased by the report, that Parliament, through the Special Prosecutor, has received a tall list of parliamentarians, both NDC and MPP members, who will be facing possible prosecution by the Special Prosecutor for various offences. The Office of the Special Prosecutor wishes, for the purpose of transparency and accountability, to state unequivocally that the office has not submitted any tall list of parliamentarians from both the NDC and the NPP to the leadership of Parliament as the list of parliamentarians or members who will face possible prosecution by the SP for various offences. The Office of the Special Prosecutor has from time to time made written requests to the Right Honourable Speaker to release named members of Parliament to assist it in conducting investigations to allegations of the suspected commission of corruption and corruption-related offences. Apart from the Honourable Mahama Ayariga, who is a first accused in a pending case filed in the High Court and therefore facing possible prosecution, the office has not made any decision whether or not to charge any other member of parliament for a corruption offence, let alone for such member to face possible prosecution by this office. Should there be any bipartisan agenda for publishing such untruth, the public should be told upfront and boldly of their intentions and not through subterfuge. About 8 other members of parliament from both the NDC and MPP, aside from Honourable Mahama Ayariga, have been invited and released by the Speaker of Parliament for statement to be taken from them for suspected corruption and corruption-related offences. The investigators have not submitted any investigation dockets or recommended to the special prosecutor whether or not they ought to be charged with other corruption offences. The Office of the Special Prosecutor wishes to state that 9 out of the 275 members of Parliament cannot, by any acceptable use of English language, be said to be a tall list, even for the purposes of an invitation to release members of parliament to assist the investigation of corruption offences. But the person Jane and said, as some beto say MPs 275 no tall list be about both NDC and MPP for no you be prosecutor no so say 9.
And no majority leader ne ko kan no mudi bank asema majority leader kan no say ne ehwehwe no enti enkono omo no ti sa nipa 9 no NDC ni MPP say ne ehwehwe no enti NDC ni MPP sa drum die ne katase hye afa wo mon saase no na special prosecutor atwokrata akoma
MPP for ka ho
MPP ni NDC na watwokrata akoma special speaker release you mo nso aba betro ma no asem ene ade enti
no kra no ni oyusu ye ne say omo assist in an investigation
they are assisting in an investigation
enti yenwe ne ebesi say na wose yenya no institution bi ye na dwuma na politicians ne pese omo de omo no kochim koye politics a na mo ba abonten na mo abeka se da bi say ne ye kono ye ne ye kani wo ma politician bi lead meka ma sani omo kono na ye the minority majority who abedi money be the wo ko enti ne and na 9 no mu sie hwa wo hu
09 they say 275 na ufa 9 enye tallest
wo mo mfa mo nkoma ye sa abrofo na na no ma yarga tworo bre se na na mrabo ne ho ban na mrabo ne ho ban no
ba se
mo ba bia mrabo mo ho ban no
leadership ni na sorry o
ma sorry say
in defense
so we defend here no nkyere say court case
there be almost immunity ne makwan say sitting member of parliament
enti na no e den wo court no na no e den wo court no
anti de dan no ma yenkwa amano so ye ne honorable Edward Eni former MP na owo oboase honorable what me kan ma che
Olu ya me Jozo me ameba me hu wache
papa kuma me hu wache o
zo nya sika no wa at dodge
na say
me hu so
ebushe mu na odi kan nya sika o na yesu awon yesu an kakakra da no me ka che wunua say da wo say papa kuma okwahye oboase o ma me hu no
oh na say oboase my na afi e bi enti wani tua pressure be so say we to normal
na oboase krom what say bibia e bokọ de
kakaka na nkofo akra bi na na du ba bia on personal interest enti no na mo pese o mo ha mind no but so yeah premano consider.
Oh, okay. Now, minim say the wuni parliament bi omu de but oboase akwan ne ade no monka ho hwe on.
Oh, say kuma to oboase contract and the shop. Ogusu den. Have the akai asoko to friends oboase no ne me for so ma Anglo would consider to do it for the government and no there no so am say be baso.
Okay. Yemfa no sana fe yemra some invitation by the special prosecutor of 9 MPs no we are former member of parliament. Who want to say?
Bogus.
Bogus say special prosecutor be invite home.
No, sorry. I'm for the special because of case or more yes or more preventive MPs na ministers na more sabi Ghana Sika afọ Monsansi a defending said this one con there. Bogus because me the be done kwa we. Me can want some so kai I wa mo fudi so.
Me kai pa.
Yes. Unim say speaker ajahu. O listen me me call headquarters.
Our police headquarters, yeah.
Yes. Oh, listen. So that's the number of MP. Can Japan? No, can I say, baby, honestly, I cannot go to be an answer.
No, MP.
No, MP. Sakinde, Sao MP also me. Honestly, you're jelly to crack out. And the Aramano are the only person more trusting another day.
But what's your leaders, Libya? Mo patcha say mo wo bebia bom ho ban indemnity na den. I mean,
last leaders no one fana. Sa ko for abom di including me. Yeah, speaker lazy ya kwai. Me the leader, majority leader now. Honorable Chairman Sabosu. The friend say at the meeting no speaker, I say it me pay me lawyer na enko. And I'm far. Then the current deputy speaker, president, Honorable Seusu, as my lawyer. Oh no, them call it.
Tambena yentimi fa MPB in court.
Woman say time or yeah parliament or yeah Juma parliament no or free ko no appoint my ba. Or they say that's just a Monday na parliament in Juma there. Say no there no yeah Juma but don't say all the time no. Omudi bonus na omudi no my so me committee afem wa ha more so many tricks on play but the best is I will say speaker granted say also and the speaker no has to do that because obi this can affect the country there or MP now or minute to crown a minute to I don't think say well lawyers back at you say and yes say or say to me cover the panel fully at least there's a way they said yeah so I think the no MP ya fa kwa so akojele no I mean no MP so no MP as it be jele no as it was jele MP there I didn't offer to say the other one the me possible I don't mean just say
did you hear say speaker release you when one
yes I thought speaker release him no
oh
we come up we are sure we say we are support to be when it as a yes I there and then just say yeah to ajum say dey nyi because the zan dey be there we should forget Ghana no am say for sale bon one na pie nyina ya ko ba bi
it's not just say e ba sa ebinum etimi di bone na o makosuma sa ade na chi
na ko captain yes and esie e dey ntina go for ebre o timi say parliament wa kwa wo bezo bejai o dey say because them say no my we throw to deep bone na no the parliament no cover and only will be concerned be supporting 100% lawyer be money no do so no this is casa now they be our parliament they be our parliament hold as they be can be of so any foul means be would be raho because of bonnie away because be na so be
but a ban say and disruptive proceedings say we fear ho say be
proceedings and nipa ba kon ni MP ba kwa di bonnie na and then nkwaro ba kono woni mu a ofi wa parliament betosne we say I deal with the captain mbem kura if you're 275 people speak already no one kasem ni me am right that you but my could no amrano ni mu pa about him say there's a way it me release president MPBR why BBR sabi when you ba man
okay but on one case so say privileges and immunities no it does not exist for the personal benefit of members of parliament. It is okoye bibia ye one kasa individually no na ubegenia na it has nothing directly to do with parliament and no mind there obeja mu memra ne de wako
to njem we ni so delay kra onia tamasa o say oh sa MPs ministers no nya power no more abuse the sikano sa punishment will come on big time oh na say obi a wait na o ye bie no e won ta de ye ze ma say yes ade ade bia tia ko fo benya position abe billionaire jawo why we can't you useless. We also call politics now the other now the alternative. Matter and you're fine. And you're fair. And what must be punished.
But as a will now the punishing in Niho.
Well anyway.
As a Papa Kwaya.
I'm the Hooper.
It's a will now the punishing the panel.
New like you're saying. Because I didn't know. I don't say so much in Jabibamu. Over 1 day, it is only enough. I didn't say from Sana, and you know, Womu Kasa, you can't even understand what's going on. Because I said to Peja, and I said, Joe, and nobody was an answer, Bishop, Jono, or Kama or Bakoro. And listen, maybe if you say, both MPP and DC, would the NDC or power? Now MPP Nina, well, prisoner Boniaba, now this is for a cover, MPP super power. I mean, it doesn't help. Not to cover this in a Basana is a well, yeah, but man, what say, I don't know, yeah, Basana, but you know, and then some of us will not support it. Me, I won't. And in party, no, now power. Now, did you start something so much poetry?
Papa Kwame and now as a BBC member Sankasa. Honorable with any former member of parliament or Boase. Yeah, Obana, dear security once more. And
na kwadwo on wad kronti opanyini
Maria mitibete tobo mtimko sa Maria mitibete
meba on wad kronti opanyini olusi election
ono de Papa Kwame de plain
Ghana how can no kra no wadane o man tamfo e na Paul kan wo se no kra sma me kan nti madana mo tamfo ana wo kan no kra no wadane o man tamfo ye mpe no kra ba nipa bi se ne ehwe sa asem no etuntum efita nipa bi ahyeda Adom rashe bedwafie dura wo ho se de be ya wodi bone kra ye ntimi nche no saafo ni nyina da ye nche wo mo
onim ni
o man ba kwa yatim amanfo bresamre ko ne kohwe amanfo nam kwa so tonso kodua atwa pia family yogurt wanwan ni ajeje tax
once the two cities
you na wakonya ni de ya ajeje ho to ni de amakwa bra ne se je na fa ye o man yi
da dana boda ye no ba ye no captain sa da na me parliament you say oba house answer na omo frɛ no man call ya wa ma biu
say omo release no
you or call ye na wa say na
then what appeal was released Adamu Sakande ono say release no
eno na we no de ne dia be example say me kura no do agya ho release ma me call ye
hwe kwa omo fa so Rambo style omo de chicken in Japan
enti no say ye say
ono kura no Canada Japan kura that day no na am so no kokan no be ready statement on the floor of the house
enso ye chi no
that day ne ye chi
me kai say man bail ye man bail na ehwa ye sa
chi no
koto de ne bodwa nyanya nche de fa ba amra
ono bo eni fie ha no ba no be ka say ohu white car or videos ni amanema on show so far ono bo jebi dan kwa ofi ha no CCTV ofi ha do parliament ano frame me am say papa dey say o yes speaker release me say see the phone hear me enti omu here tape nto mbeba baje and lo and behold they called for the tape we and say oko na then obi there and then say man nko
also obi akọ also obi akọ embra no
me say
hwe ye embra no te sa nansententan sabe eche nwansna ne ntatea enche nantwi enche ponko ekoba ne sa de be ha adwen so ya hwe ye na asemba ne de ya amanwasem na so eni enua mra hye bedwani ye nkone ye ko escort ne edi omachi ne yempene mabunu ne hwe
we
dai ba punkum no
MPC num NDC MPC 9 wo makodada on corruption allegations
kabito ye nkoye da ubonkrata no so na ye nkoye nim na enura po
woni ma de be mpese ye on say ye ya te o mamu yi ye na ye to abama ye MPC ye na ye kosa line ye na ye kosa line kwato aba no ye ni privileges bia na indemnity bia boye ho ban
ye chewa ya chew
ye chewa na ya chew but ye me ma kosa line ato abama nde ye sese beburu se be nya ado so ya de na tia Ghana mra de meti wo hon de menka
oya bema
se beburu se be nya ro di nsamfu a ene nkwa asem bia obedi bia no se ye ja no free no okọ
eno so aka
na ye de be manka some the service also penny forces say the can be
only explanation mo de buy for sa immunity ne privileges no mo nya no say se same fan say MPP ne wo so etisi ya nhweye na ye gyamu say o nipa no betumi afre na ma na kɔ ni we yi a ye be di bi mani ye ma omu nya kwan nya omu adwuma
there be o court na ye NDC na MPP dia
nwanwa
court dia say high court dia ye friend high court
no ba kwadwo me de say on report ne buy na MPP ni NDC fo esa say ye
54
ye hu say aban bi wo ho
54
di so bon say aban bi wo ka say
5 MPP MPs 4 NDC MPs
ono an nkro fo
MPP 4 de na 5
o dan de fa ho send enya MPP party na ye enya MPP party na ye nipa na ye
good e fa ho pa e fa ho
ye ti na fo ka say aponchani wa ne hu ne tenten
e fa ho
kanka bi wa ne hu nka wadodo a wonya ye esa nsɛ mra wo te ase no enya de a wo no wo be ma akwan mo atwe ne mu hu ne tenten
ebe tia ba say bia na sa de na ye kan e wa ye fa ne so nti ye nkɔ phone lines na so na ye mbisa say ye MPs no sa privileges yi so obi di bɔne a ye ma ne nkɔbɔ ne ho ban sɛ me ye mfa ne nkɔ court ko si sɛ obedi ne MP be wie ana sɛ ni manim ye sɛ MP bia ye bibia enya sɛ de mmara ne tie no pa sɛ de bedi bi no ye mfa saa emfindi no eno MPB ka kyerem sɛ ehu pa aba parliament no ehu pa be parliamentarians ni mu nyi hu ketwa
uni sika umohu
onya boni special prosecutor letters na fly sa if you speak office wo ko be
yes utrimu fire na my one
0302216561 2165662 this is a very serious matter and with all respect corruption no ye na ya adwen say we will fight corruption and collectively as I say ye kotia dwurumedie ne katasehya ne proye say ye kotia enti no yamon komo hello morning ebusan pacho ma mentio
captain pacho mchiao
mejo so dodo
mpacho yen chi omu nyina momo nkobo ho ban bia omu diska ya na mchem nkobo ho ban no di ni NPV odi wi nso no asan wi aska ne bia kan ho yen chi omu nyina ko tu that's it
Miss Medas for the next person. Hello
Captain Smart,
morning sir.
Hello, Captain Smart, morning.
Good morning.
Pacho Kenkaka, ni takwana mo.
Medase.
Me Pacho say MP4 indemnity omu yefuma asafofo nso no say yes can some funding. Corruption, ya ne ketwa ne ne kase. Inti obi obediska bia so ye hini o. Oye sofu o yo first kan mama no. Medase.
Hello,
Captain Smart.
Yes, sir.
We Doctor mentioned from school. Captain, Ghana na yewono obi enso nsi obi. Captain, embrano said yes say e fata ebo man o man mu no atima ko na Captain, when nya dia we ye mpinti no yanso so no so. No ni sika se masa e ba sa yentie no emra na nsunsi obi a o nsunsi MP bia nsunsi DC bia nsunsi menso captain yesterday bebre wo mamra ni ndi omu no man ja na nko nanim leaders bebre captain
Miss Medas next person hello morning hello
captain
good morning
amen senya ko obo ho ba njire maya mo tito why
amen
Captain, can think of 14 or 2. You would do back on Ecclesiastes 8 level, Chasmoka. Or say, Sir, and the year born whom I forbid them, and Memu in temptem. Intimately, my bonny who acting pop, I yell a common ma. Yamma, you paid the bonny baby, can first notify 29. What's one way you're bonny? You want 10 50. Now, I'm on I can swear through. Yenti e obi aboni ase atwena asem se na ebe afofo nso enhwe nsua boni na nso mayimu de o party bad de no hita wo de wo yo hene wo de enfen sankan na no ni ade ama proye no edidi o mayimu ama o mai atoba ha no na ko pon hwa
o hwa won so hello good morning.
Hello.
Yes, good morning.
Good morning, Captain.
Mpacho mamintio.
Pacho me didi Joseph Tete me weather across.
Medase.
Papa Pacho na me bisa se MPB wo parliament. I didn't think so. Wo be kuni dia. Yen kase mlebi o honti wo ni nkanza no wi awa be kunako. Enti se etimi kunu ne ye by election dia. Obi a wa yem fum so bi a yem fa ne nkomla ni di na be san ye by election. Do ka be boa ma. Mpanyinfo na ba be yem puntu o kru kitu anim. Esa se so bi wo omo pre omo ho be yem puntu. Enti so bi fum la na eni ni ndi se ese so kodem a onko ni enya kwantisi ikru no. Apenya menhira mo papa.
Me da se papa. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hey. Me kasafi utalmidin discriminate wagli.
Okay, me da se.
NPP ni ndis nano. You scratch my back and I scratch your back.
Okay.
And now no pay when you be interview be. The panel say 92 constitution no. And what say a review. And after yes and draw constitution be. And no pen the beb what are the way. Madam Martin.
Mr. Medasepa, you're for the very last person. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning, Captain.
In fact, to say.
Adom also.
But the other over your pa.
Yeah, then me the Douglas Brempe.
Uncle Douglas Medase.
With the Wada Roma, the Edicam, so I am birthday in my son, no message cry.
And happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you. Happy to us.
You, that's it. Yes, you can't. You who send you back on the Yakubi.
Okay.
Because on my night, I said, Yenny, a woman, the swimming for so be mom. Captain, you see, and I had my fool. So near Tiano. And yes, more. I sent on Mutimishe, no more this year, your man, no, my young for so dear was no. Captain, you win is how. Now, no one who had said the Aokan, Ubaya, Nafi Wakan, Yanka, at the Atrepen. Me was said you moving so high, yes, I need to so now so I do a no my pushy say, you do better wall amount, baby one no can yanka. Until the middle Miss Mlano, yes, my yina, and Mlano being soon chamblano. Ye didn't be an yamam lani pepe, and no Bamayako and Muslim say there be a 9 people a big and this a big and why the marginal one. And I
say, okay, what's your crew be a friend in Nicaragua? What's your crew be a friend Panama?
Your man now,
Panama.
Panama, what's a woman did that?
Yeah.
What is a corruption case to be free Wabada? What's the issues of corruption was that 2 countries?
TB Bisada, Sabana minim dia.
When him the entire. One more, the way I'm fighting corruption, one friend revolutionary tactics.
Omo the MPC shabola can take.
Woman, they will shabola.
So almost shana won't fight for more.
Yenya position, especially Nicaragua, a Latin American country. When you're near boat, this obey DC, your Trabama so obey Senator, and answer where you're. First of all, just name banks or account or yes, I could use statement, brother. And to the boss say, Captain Smart, yes, Miss V, our Fidelity Bank and CBG. And one, no, I don't hear you when you know. With official name, Pepe, to want to one no more print it, no more publish. Or account, no, they are publish account, no. They who la, who balance. Obey MP and obey minister and obey this in balance in ye.
You who get right,
you who get out water that. We get to be $1 million, no problem. Now, one friend capping, no more capping. To move here, no one. Now, ya son so I catch it out to our account and so. Every 7 months, one more financial intelligence office no will request for statements.
No, now ultimately could be a council for baby.
Who could be away?
I'm for you see yourself.
When you be account directly, I better reflect. On says say I don't cry. SARS system no Bank of Ghana cover by o man fanye adwuma nwie no. On says I would loan says here or Fidelity Bank. Now you want to say Kweko Bank akoji loan a. O bo di ni shema na pie say waje be say wa ha.
O de kawa ha.
O de kawa ha. Na pie. Sa no mo de.
Yes o koje clearance.
Ai, wo mo de ni na afra. Etunya kwa say o ko bia account wa ha pe. Na pop it up or account or bank or account or bank or account or bank or account or bank.
Captain, what do you inquire? Kenya heya po ne Kenya for say. Wa mo mra ni o mo hyehyɛ yo ma ye ne say. Wuni pa cross o benye dibre no a di bere kura wa ba benya no me hu wagapade no awobo no yenkam obi ante se bueni ente se ye de ya ye so de envelope mu de kwa ye ntumi nkan no
ye kan ya akoma no kura de sem emrade se mane ntia no
ho na nka meba no
Kenya for de ne resa me city okwaku meba se ye hwe agapade no awobo no ene ne ye wo ba ye no watumi anya no ne ye de toto ho ne ye hu se da bi wa katua ne wo so nya we ya ne ya gi se agapade ni nyina ne ye de ama oman no ya gi agapade no ene ka se bibia
Nicaragua
they are serious
vice president
yeah shamra na ne eja tokura to
vice president yere o de emfa ne se we dem patcho me the example keko me nka se Samira papa na aye fan se Samira papa na watna basim na card na omode sharp bas pass
bas pass no
ewu omoma the whole community sentence
Uncle Prapra
vice president nasio ye man the whole community sentence mani clinic hospital 3 days
kwadwo insida Ghana
insida
Ghana
insida
Ghana
na kwakuwa
insida na omaya yetima he boatwa na okase ye hemra na eja ntokuru memra ne hemfo na ehye
say eno na na Rollins dey abetumu say emra no ntokuro wo
nipa na wo hemra no
wo hu semfonso wo
ntokuro betimi abam ntokuro ne be me ho na obehwe nkwan nti ozo oja tokuro no na wo man ya yetimi ka say wo declare wa say sa fashion envelope mu obi ani kwan so wode ne nsaka say ye ayi atentemwo ne hyem say ye de ne hyem say ye krata hu na ye ntwore wo so de hyem ni aka kire kwabra ne say jefa koto wo de tuo wi alok no woni kwan so wo saka na fa na dwuma na semu yi senkanya Ghana anadwuma na semu yi kenya Ghana ka he ne ka no
na captain who say reply abafa Rollins asem no kan ye no ho soja ni pani ba kwa ye kun no odache Wellington ena ne baba dia betudwa say ye ne de pa se na anu dwumfofo mampani dada John Rollins gina simpie so ka say emra no niema bi e bom panifo mu banya ye ntumi mfa bo nyina mra no ye nyimfiri ho wose anhya se mfiri Papa Jeso Musa na wu bisa Dr. Dwaso Nsem bi say yemfa nkwa akire na omu de na twam yemfa sa amra ni won odache Wellington ne baba yi say yemfa nkwa akire na Papa J
emra no so nteke
kwanya wo fa sukun ne papa no kwanya wo fa sukun ne papa no yemfa ni nyina mra no bi na me enka say wono de say yenyimfiri won yemfa ni omu aka no won de wonko wose ni papa
okay
what I say ne papa ni boni bia nti se Rollins ni po kunkum omo ne ne wo ye nyina no se wo se ye strip sa yi bambo no e wo ho masa mpanimfo ni nyina ye strip wi a Rollins ye mfani ni kan wo koto enti Esther Odache Wellington General Odache Wellington ne baba na ne buafu ne ho dendenden a wo de sa asemi tudwa wo de Daily Dispatch mu kwaku
sa papa je mre bi aba atwam kwa obekan se enoma wo gina so e ma ne de tu sa na mo no ene noma ekoso ne wo Ghana no o manfo ama ne nsesi fom
ta yo yankwa ni kwaku
yakwa nim dia ene mampanyini wase Ghana fo yam yani na ho wase yam yani na ho pa Daybreak ene de ode ba no no wase amimfo abefra ye mu adane mpataku a wadi nwanwoma kata wo ya hwe ya dakodako no mo betoto paye ama ede basabasa bo mayimu wase terrorism threat reports suspicious characters o mampanyine nasema woka ni to so ye Ghana ni a wo nipa no wo hwa nanim wo hwa ne ye na zo nyabone a wo bedi a ya polisifo asutri ne nche no na mra ni se de se ne fatanse bi ka we ho Daybreak de obokrata
yo Daily Guide so enina mampanina na do no wode atudwa se Zongo development sika no Zongo ministry wonum sika no ayirede eti wo beyi na empuntudwuma no park o so mba yi ani Zongo ahodo suku so abobesisie wo Zongo wonum no mampani sika no ayekrado eti mpanimfo behwe na 2019 Zongo development fund no budget no wode ama wono wode ayadwuma na Men's Gold so ne yese wonum sra ban lawyer ni a wo gina mu ade ama Men's Gold so sra ban aban hwe na Interpol red alert no wode ato na mwanso no munyi wa munyina na mwa metua ne ka
say obi say e koton na mwa na japade na ye de etua papa bia minim na ne sika wo e japade na to ntimi ntua ne sika
amamfo wo sika wo ho ha wuti obi dia no ashoke
aha nti
Ye ne japade ni nyina ntumi ntua wo no ne
de no me papa ba ko bi ne sika wo ho no wa hwe ya cars na o ma iyo ko achiri na o mo ton kro ntumi ntua papa ne sika
1%.
Ye komra ye ye beto aso
Etiefo, midini Kofi Owusu Amponsa. Meye adwuma firi anopa nonkono kopem anwumre nonnum. Enkane, na de ha me pan ebra adwuma ne de mame. Nanso sei de Intervita Darrowment yente sabium. Intervita ye moja dra anuane no ahye ne ma. Ehia ma nipadua no dwumadi. Intervita ye moja